twin cam MGA. This car underwent a 3-year restoration by Peter Wood in England. He was a marque specialist, of course. The car was found in dry storage in North Carolina, and they commissioned Peter Wood to do the restoration. He did do the restoration 3 years, then it sat in storage for about 20 years. The car was sold and shipped to Mr. Alcorn, Jim Alcorn in LaJolla, California to refresh and sort out. You're seeing the results of that restoration. The sorting, the car still is crisp, clean. Look at all the nuts, bolts, the undercarriage itself. Still dry up underneath here, not wet. Suspension components are good, still fresh looking. Fender wells are still clean. Brake hoses are still nice. There's even a tag on the A-arm, or that's suspension. Yeah, shocks. So very clean, tidy undercarriage. Still crisp, still clean. Car doesn't appear to have been a rusty car or any accident history. Alright, here we are at eye level on the twin cam. One of the first things that strikes me on this car is most of these MGAs that I get in, these are grouped, and we have a nice big gap here. This one fits perfect. Of course, those lovely knockoff wheels, beautiful. See how clean it is up under the wheel wells. Older restoration, but still clean. This car shows no indication that it was ever a rusty car, shows no indication that it's ever been wrecked. Straight down the sides. Gaps are beautiful on the car. Aluminum doors are straight with pretty gaps. Pirelli tires. All the lenses are in nice shape. All the chrome is in good shape. Nice gaps on the deck lid. Just a beautiful, beautiful piece. Still fresh, still crisp. Car has wonderful history. It was a North Carolina car, not rusty, not a rust-prone area. Marque specialists have touched this car. Good gaps again on this door. See how straight those wings are. We'll take it on down and show you the top side. All right, here we are top side on the 59 twin cam MGA. The top up, want to show you the top. Side curtains are like brand new. They're still in plastic bags. Nothing ugly. No rat in the wood pile. The car runs and drives beautiful. You can see the gaps are good. Top looks good. Top is like brand new. beautiful, beautiful MGA. Old English white. We have the British Heritage Certificate. It's all correct. Numbers match. Paint is correct. Color is correct. Interior is correct. This car's had a nice life. All right, we'll put the, let me show you this top, and then we'll put the top down. Beautiful condition. All right, top-down view of the twin cam. Beautiful, beautiful piece. Car sits nice. Wonderful gaps everywhere. Straight sides. Crisp wheels, crisp tires, nice chrome. Again, good gaps. Correct interior. I mentioned earlier that we have the British Heritage Certificate. Car was sorted by Jim Alcorn in California, La Jolla. It was restored a number of years ago. Won first national place, first in its class in the national meet, and we have the award for that. Leather's in good shape, carpets are in good shape, chrome's in good shape, rubber seals are in good shape. How perfect those lines are on that hood. All the gauges are in nice condition. We'll go for a nice drive and you can listen to that beautiful motor, but first let me show you that motor. There you go, one of the prettiest motors of that era. Clean, tidy, just gorgeous. I mentioned all the numbers match. Everything's clean, everything's tidy, everything's crisp, even after all these years. And the motor just sounds beautiful. All right, we'll do a driving video here in a minute.